Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just want to let everyone know about the next up and coming webinar series we're doing. I'm putting together 5 webinars on EV and hybrid technology and developments, etc. So 1 each month from March onwards, at the back end of March. But the first one we're doing free of charge, but you must register to watch the event. So if you go to the link that's on this particular video and register for the first one, which is free of charge, and then we'll give you the option to purchase for the previous 4. So the first one we're doing, I'm just doing virtually EV hybrid concepts and alternate drives, the history of EVs and hybrids, safety and qualifications, what safety things you need to consider, and the qualifications. We're looking at high voltage battery stressing as well, something I learnt at a week's training I did late last year with Dr. Mark Quattro on how to stress test a high voltage battery. So how to get a state of health for a high voltage battery on a car. So it's worth watching just for that part at the end, and also at the end, depowering and reinitialising a vehicle. So lots of great information in this first one. The dates are on Tuesday the 28th of March and Wednesday the 29th at different time zones. But again, click on the link. You must register, even though it is free of charge, for this first of the 5 on EV and hybrid technology. So if you're looking at going into this sort of space, it'll be well worth watching this particular series of 5. So that first one, click on the link, register for that first one, and hopefully we see you there. See you next time.